Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop Lenovo and not working Google Chrome. I have to connect Wi-Fi, but after I have to remove the Avast antivirus free edition, and now I am remove the Norton 360 antivirus. If you install 2-3 antivirus to your computer, sometime you can see your computer is very slow and computer internet is not working, have many problem. So what should you do? You have to do remove all the antivirus. You have to download in the free edition or something. So Windows 10 and Windows 11 no need to antivirus, because we have already the antivirus Windows Defender antivirus, so no need to download any antivirus. So if you see the problem in your computer not working, the internet or something problem, your computer is very slow, so you will do remove all the antivirus you have to download. So how can you do remove? You go to the control panel and go to the remove the program, and you can see here is the some programs antivirus, you know the name, and just remove. I have to already remove here the Avast before it's not working. I also have the Avast secure browser, and now I am removing the Norton. So after remove, it will be work perfectly. I have to remove all these antivirus. Now I will check the internet working perfectly. You can see now is working very good. So thank you guys for watching my video. See, and please subscribe my channel Golden Nanotech. Now working all the video. See guys, perfectly working. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Have a nice day.